What's shaking, folks? I'm in the kitchen, obviously. What's happening today? Today I decided I made this before, I shared the recipe before, but we're gonna make it together. Faux chicken salad, which actually the base of this recipe is my base recipe that I use for when I would make it tuna salad, egg salad, chicken salad. So I'm just taking that base recipe and I'm applying it to faux chicken salad because meat, I wouldn't say I'm a vegetarian. I only eat meat when I'm called to, and I'm very mindful of the type of what I'm putting into this vessel. So I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just letting you know that you should be mindful of what you are putting in your meat vessel. As for chicken, if you got a butcher by you, go to your butcher. If you have to buy from the supermarket, I like Bell & Evans. You want to look for air-chilled chicken. I'm just going to leave it there. We could get further into it, but that'll be a video for another time. So, as I always say, mise en place, get your ingredients. I did these, I believe on yesterday? No, today's Tuesday. Cut up some celery, red onion, because I'm going to use it for two things, make it once, use it twice, work smarter, not harder. There's a lot of catchphrases that I use up in this kitchen. So the base recipe, if you want to use it and apply it to whatever you want, I use mayo, I put mustard, I have whole grain mustard, so I'm using whole grain this time, but usually I do Dijon. The ratios will be all in the captions. So mayo, mustard, salt, pepper. I love smoked paprika, and don't be afraid to use salt. They've scared us that salt causes also, no it doesn't. Our bodies need salt. You just don't use the iodized salt. That's not what you should be putting in your body. Either kosher salt or sea salt is the best. Pepper, I love smoked paprika. Mayo, I use chosen, if you want to know. Read your labels. You don't want anything that says canola or soybean oil. Try to find avocado. You can make your own if you'd like. I'll make a video on that too. But we're going to start here. I got 1 can of cannellini beans, rinsed and drained. I had a masher. I broke it. I guess I Hulk smashed a little too hard, so it broke. So we're going to use a Care Bear cup. You don't want to mash it all the way. You just want to break it up a little bit so there's some texture in there. Because, texture, you don't want mush, complete mush. So I'm going to add some red onions up in this mix. So everything that's going in here is the usual suspects that I always put in. Red onion, celery. So for this can, it's about 1/4 cup of the red onion. A little more than 1/4 cup of the celery. So you want to say 1/2 cup if you want exacts. About 2 tablespoons of scallions. I need a knife. I need a knife. I was using one. I don't even know where it went. Fantastic. I'm going to put diced up dill pickle into mine because I love pickles. And why the F not? So, quickly dice these bad boys up. Smelling these pickles reminds me of a cheeseburger. I might have to do that soon. Like I said, meat, I don't eat all the time. Only when I feel called to. So, the smell of this is reminding me of a burger. But I made a promise that I'm going to have a burger on March 1st along with a beer. As a salute to my Papa Dukes because that's his anniversary of when he passed. So, fresh cracked pepper. Sea salt. They didn't have my normal one, so I got to use this one. And like I said, don't be afraid because salt adds flavor. Paprika. And then some mayo. Little bit over 1/4 cup. Need another spoon. Can you tell this is the first time I'm doing this? Hey, it's fine. We're learning how to do this. So you're gonna mix it all up. You could eat it right away if you want, but, ooh, I forgot. I had jalapenos. We're gonna add a little bit of jalapeno up in here. This, I like it spicy, so I'm gonna do about a tablespoon. You don't have to put it, you could omit it. And that's it. This base recipe is gonna be in the captions. You could use this base recipe and just swap out the protein. Put it on a sandwich, put it in lettuce, make a lettuce wrap, get a rice paper, make a summer roll with it. Maybe I'll share that one too because I've done this before, so maybe I'll bring back the old content. So we could do a comparison of how I did it and how I'm doing it now. I've tried this with chickpeas. It was okay. The flavor of everything is fine. It fell down to a texture thing. I didn't like the chickpea in this. It wasn't a vibe for me. But I do want to try this with black beans because I thoroughly love black beans. So I'm going to try it with black beans. But we got a little faux chicken salad. So if you want to try it, recipes in the captions. And as I said, you always want to have everything cut and ready to go because it makes the process that much easier. So now I have the celery, I have red onion. Let's see what else I make with it. I was thinking potato salad, but we shall see what I come up with. If there is something you want to learn, want to see me make, drop it in the comments because I'm going to be doing long form because I'm done with the doom scrolling people and doing short reels. That ain't my flavor. Those that want to stay will stay, and those that don't will scroll on by.